In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Brother MFC-L2710DW with your Mac computer, and also how to print and scan using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started right away. The first step will involve you connecting this printer to the Wi-Fi network. So let me show you how to do it on the control panel over there. And we're gonna press the menu button, this one. Then we need to use these arrows to navigate through the menu. Go down another time, until you see network, number 5. Then press OK. Go down in this menu until you see WLAN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Then we need to select the first option, click the OK button. Click the up button to enable Wi-Fi. It will now search for every networks that are around the printer, and to shuffle through them, click the up or down arrow. Once you see your Wi-Fi network name appearing on the screen, press OK. Now it's time to type the password. Obviously, it does not have a keyboard. The only thing that this printer has is this number pad over here. You're gonna notice it also has letter for each numbers. Let's say you want to type a number, well, go ahead and type a number. If you want to type a letter, press the number pad associated with the letter you want to type. Let's say I want to type a U multiple times. So for a U, I'll press once, twice, 3 times, and the letter U will appear. If you want to type a symbol, click on the star. And a symbol list will appear, and then with the left and right arrows you'll be able to select it. Press OK once you want to select the symbol if your password contains one. If you click on the hashtag sign, you're gonna get even more symbol in case they were not in the first symbol menu over here. If you want to type a capital letter, let's say I want to type capital K, I'll press the number 5 a few times until I see capital K. Here we go. If you want to erase, press the clear button. To go to the next character, you simply need to press the right side arrow after you type it. So let's say this is number 9, this is what I want. I'll press right, and then I'll be able to type the next number or letter of my password. Once you're done typing your password, press OK. Then you'll see Apply Settings. Press the upper arrow here to confirm, and it will start connecting. Once it's connected, you're gonna see Connected. Press OK. On your Mac computer, you're gonna go on the top, click on the Apple logo, System Preferences. Now if you have a newer Mac computer, it will look slightly different. In any cases, click on Printers and Scanners. I'll put a screenshot on how it looks on newer Macs. So it's the last option on the left side. Once you're in this menu, you need to add the printer to the list of printers that are connected to your computer. On newer Mac, again, it will look slightly different. You'll need to click, and I'll put a screenshot on that button. If you have one of these older Mac OS computer, what you need to do is, if you have a, by the way, a padlock here, you need to click on it and log in. Once the padlock is open, click the plus icon. Select the Brother printer MFC-L2710DW series. Click Add. After a few seconds, the Add button will be clickable. And now in the list, you should see your Brother printer. Mine is over here. By clicking on it, you'll be able to select Scan if this is what you want to do, and then Open Scanner. On your Mac, it should be about the same. If you click Open Scanner, you're gonna have this window. Let me make it bigger here. So since we're here, let me show you how to scan, and then I'll show you how to print. So this printer has 2 different scanners, a top document feeder if you have multiple pages, and a regular flatbed scanner. If you want to use this one, place your page over here facing down with the top part towards the left, and then glide this corner so it touches this corner over there, like that. Close the lid. If you want to use this top document feeder because you have multiple pages, align your pages and you're going to put them facing up with the top part of your page towards the left and simply glide it like this. I won't do it here, but it's about the same process once you have inserted the paper. Click on Show Details. Then you see on the right side here, under Scan Mode, select Flatbed if this is where you have inserted your paper, or Document Feeder if you inserted your documents on the top. Then you have Resolution. If you're scanning a text document, I suggest you select 200 dpi. If you're scanning a picture, choose 600 dpi. It will give you more details that are not really necessary for a text document. I'll keep it to 100 just for this example. The higher the DPI number, the more details you'll get, but also the longer it will take for you to scan the document. Then over here you can uncheck Use Custom Size and select the size of your paper. Mine is just a US letter size, so I'll keep it US letter size. Then Scan to select the folder where you want the file to go on your Mac. I'll keep it to Picture, but you can select Desktop or your personal folder. Name, choose how will this scan be named, so you can choose scan with a number or your name, whatever. Format over here, if you're scanning a text, choose PDF. If you're using the top document feeder and you're scanning multiple pages and you want to combine them in one single PDF document, you'll have to click on Combine into Single Document after choosing PDF. This, I'll simply select JPEG. Image correction, don't touch it, and then press Scan. This was only a preview, by the way. It wasn't saved yet. And this is it. You'll get saving image and you'll be good to go. If you want to scan more documents, go ahead, put them there and click the scan button once again and they will be saved. Now, how do you print? Very easy. Open any documents on your Mac that you wish to print. So I will open this. Then from here, select File, go down, select Print. Under Printer, select your printer, your Brother printer, the number of copies do you want to print on both sides of the page. If you have a longer document with many pages, select the range you would like to print and then press Print. Extend this small flap over here so the page does not come on your desk, and wait. Here we go, we got our scan. So this is how you print. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, but also leave a comment down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.